Good morning. It is Friday again, and I am going to head out for my weekly grocery shopping, although it will be a little bit different this week. Today, I'm just going to Safeway and then going to the farm to pick up our weekly milk. My oldest daughter, who is married and doesn't live here anymore, wanted to go to Costco, and she doesn't have a membership, so she's going to go with me, and we plan to go tomorrow. So I'm going to do my Costco trip for November tomorrow, and since I'm going to be having a fun time with my daughter, I probably won't get much footage in Costco, but I'm going to try to get some footage of the haul at home when I get back. So got my weekly haul spread out over 2 days. There's not a whole lot that I need at Safeway, but there are some good sales, and again, they have a $10 off $50 purchase, so I always try to do that. That's 20% off. Like, that's a really good deal on, basically anything in the store. I don't know that there's any restrictions besides like maybe gift cards or probably wine, alcohol. Anyways, all the stuff that I buy, I could just get 20% off as long as I don't get too much above that $50 mark, because as soon as you get more than $50, your percentage savings goes down. So anyways, I always try to take advantage of that when I can, as long as there's stuff that I need, because of course, if you don't need stuff, it doesn't save you money to buy stuff. Always important to remember. Before we leave, I want to say thank you to Element, who sponsored today's video. I am sitting here drinking some hot cocoa, and it's like protein hot chocolate in my adorable little mug. It has the bread on one side with jam and the adorable little fried egg on the other side. I love it. Anyways, I have my hot cocoa in here, and it is mint hot cocoa using the chocolate mint element that is part of the chocolate medley winter seasonal pack that is available now. Element is a delicious electrolyte supplement. I've been using it for more than 2 years now, and I love it. They have lots of amazing fruity flavors that are really refreshing. I enjoy all year long, but then it's really fun when the weather starts turning and of course, the leaves are turning and falling. It's fun to have some cozy chocolate flavors, and they really deliver on the cozy chocolate flavors. Regularly, they have the chocolate salt and the chocolate caramel. You can get those all year long, but then a special during the winter months, you can get the chocolate medley pack that has 10 of the chocolate mint, which is delicious, which is what I'm drinking here, 10 of the chocolate raspberry flavor, and 10 of the chocolate chai flavor. They are all delicious. So that chocolate medley is available for purchase now, and it's just a really fun, cozy way to get your electrolytes in over the cold months. And Element has a special deal for all of my viewers. If you want to try a sample pack of 8 of their regular flavors, all you have to do is use my link, drinkelement.com/indigo, drinklmnt.com/indigo. Click that link, place an order for anything on the website, maybe a box of the chocolate medley, and you will automatically get a free 8-stick sample pack so you can try out the different flavors. Thanks again to Element for sponsoring the video today, and now we're gonna get shopping. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Here at Safeway. Is that a good one? There was a good deal on shredded and sliced cheese. You can get 4 for $1.49 each, so I always try to take advantage of those kind of deals and just stock up. Oh, Havarti is really good. They don't always have that in stock either. Get a couple Havarti and maybe a couple. Maybe I'll do a pepper jack and a Colby jack. That'll be good. There is a bathroom here. Okay, we can do that. We mostly need green ones because we have a few that are still ripe at home. So we'll just do a bunch of green ones. That'll work. Anything good on the reduced rack that we need to get?
No.
100% plant-based fruity cereal. Isn't most cereal plant-based? Oh, here's some more crazy. What is up with Cinnamon Toast Crunch being on everything these days? Okay, do you really need a Cinnamon Toast Crunch branded cinnamon sugar? Like, it's cinnamon sugar.
We don't speak
Crazy.
this.
Now look at this one. Thin Mints seasoning blend. What do you put this on? Like a top of a cupcake or something? Craziness.
Kind of nice.
All right, we got peppers and avocados here that are on sale. No, not getting asparagus this time. Look at those. Those are cool, huh?
What is?
Those are dragon fruit. Does it look like a dragon to you?
No.
I think it does.
It looks like fire. Like a fire.
Yeah, like it's breathing fire. It's a pink dragon breathing fire.
But it looks like this is fire and this, like the whole thing is fire.
Okay.
But like, it's like kind of a little bit like here to
Yeah.
climb the head.
3 for $5 on cantaloupe seems like a pretty good price.
Yeah. Look at this
So we're
one.
gonna get 3. We'll get 3 for $5.
3 for $5.
Yeah. And we got some avocados. We got some peppers. Gotta have all of our fresh stuff for the week. Get a couple cucumbers because they're on sale for 59 cents.
Can you buy any of these, Mom?
No, I still have a celery at home. We need to make some soup and use it up. No, I actually have a half a cabbage at home too that I need to use up. No, we have frozen broccoli at home already. Don't need asparagus. Look at this.
What is
Authentic hollandaise sauce in a squeeze tube. Oh, I'm gonna get a few sandwich meats, cheap sandwich meats. I know Levi loves turkey. We'll get a few of those. All right, we gotta count this up and see if it comes to $50 so we get our $10 off. I think I'm gonna get this one. I like butter lettuce. Do you like butter lettuce? Not really? Yeah, you don't care for lettuce very much. Okay, I think we got up to our 50 and we are ready to go. I'll show you everything I got here before I bag it up. I got the 4 cheeses, 2 Havarti, 1 pepper jack, 1 Colby jack. I got some red baby butter lettuce, a whole bunch of green bananas that should last us for a bit since we still have some ripe ones at home. I got 2 cucumbers, 4 of the Natural Choice smoked turkey breast, 2 things of strawberries. Those were on sale this week. I got 6 of the bell peppers, 2 of each color, 3 of the cantaloupes, $5 for 3 cantaloupes. That seemed like such a good deal. And then I got 4 avocados. I got a pack of mandarin oranges that Levi has already taken some from. I got a few slicing tomatoes and 10 pounds of russet potatoes. And it ended up being a better deal than I expected. For all of this, it only cost $33.22. And that is because, well, I had $1 in rewards cash. I had my $10 off my $50 purchase, and then I had 3 other coupons for $5 off and at least $25 purchase or something like that. I earned those for signing up for some health thing on the app where I don't know all the details. They just said I could earn some coupons and connect my prescriptions to the Safeway pharmacy, which I don't currently have any prescriptions, but I was like, okay, I'll connect them because I usually, if I do need a prescription, I usually do go through Safeway. So anyways, I did not expect them to give me all of those at the same time. I thought it was like per transaction. So it ended up taking off $25, $26 of my total. And that gave me a savings of 62% on my purchase, which was pretty fantastic. Here's a quick view of the receipt if you're curious about any of the prices. Our milk for the week has been acquired and I'm restocking the fridge. $20. Oh, cute. It has all the removable plates. Those are so cool.
Oh, those are cute.
I know, they have the 2 sizes. Those are nice. These make good Christmas gifts. Oh, I need to get Greek yogurt. We are back from Costco and it ended up being a pretty big haul. I got some things for the holidays and I'm hoping to not have to go to Costco for quite a while. I don't know if I'll make it all the way through December, like all the way through the holidays without going one more time. But hopefully at least past Thanksgiving, we shall see. Let's see, I'm gonna start over here with the non-food stuff. So of course we got toilet paper because we always have to get that at Costco. Got some big plates. Those ones were on sale. So stocked up on those. Some baking soda. I use this for cleaning and for baths this time of year. So got a big bag of that. Got some paper bowls. The parchment paper was on sale. It's usually on sale this time of year. So I try to stock up. So I grabbed one box of that. I know I still have some, so I didn't get more than just one box, but that will last me for quite some time. And then I love this. So I'm going to a gift exchange for some ladies in my neighborhood, and it's like a Christmas decor gift exchange. I think it started as an ornament exchange, and it kind of got more and more extravagant as time went on. And there's a $40 limit on gifts, and this was $37.99, and I thought it was so cute. And honestly, going to a gift exchange, this is what I would be excited to get. So that's what I got to wrap up and use for the gift exchange, which I'm super excited about. So I need to hide that because, I mean, the kids saw like the edge of the box and they're like, Legos, Legos, Legos. But I need to put that away because it is not for the children. Now let's go over all of the food items. We got 2 of the big organic tortilla chips. I got 2 of these packages of slow roasted turkey breast. I like these because there's a bunch of individual packages in there and you don't have to open the entire thing at once. And you also get a nice little Tupperware container, which is great. I got another pack of these chicken sausages. They're Parmesan cracked pepper, and they are really good. We've been really enjoying those. I got 1 thing of organic Greek yogurt, the non-fat. 2 bags of organic apples. I got 2 big containers of cottage cheese. I have been making that cottage cheese pudding with some different protein powders, keto chow, equip protein, and it's been really yummy. And so I figured I might as well just go ahead and stock up because Costco has such a good price on cottage cheese. I got a couple things of lemon juice. I got a big bag of oranges for everyone to enjoy. For Christmas baking, I got a big bag of cane sugar and a big bag of brown sugar. The brown sugar is 7.5 pounds. The cane sugar is 10 pounds. I got a bag of my favorite coffee, the Rainforest Blend. I got 2 bags of the organic dates. We make bacon wrap dates both at Thanksgiving and at Christmas. It's one of our fun family food traditions. And so I decided I might as well go ahead and get them now. $6.99 per bag, which I think is such a good price. And they're organic too. So crazy. And they keep. So I might as well just go ahead and get those and I don't have to worry about not having them when I need them for Thanksgiving or Christmas cooking. I got a 6-pack of the organic pasta. This is non-fortified, made in Italy, and organic pasta. So that's what the kids eat. And then I got this hummus. Renee loves hummus and she enjoys having it every once in a while, but she doesn't usually eat a whole container before it goes bad. So I like these little cups where she can just open one up whenever she wants to and the other ones save really easily. So I hadn't been able to find this grass-fed butter at my Costco recently, but I actually went to a different Costco today and they had it. So I'm not sure if at my other one, they're hiding it now. Some people mentioned that at their Costco's, they moved it to a different case. And so I'll have to look when I go back to that other Costco, but they did have it in the the dairy walk-in cooler this time. So I was glad about that. And I grabbed 3 of those to make sure we were stocked up on butter through the holidays. They do often have Kerrygold go on sale during the holidays. And so I usually try to stock up on that whenever that happens, but it doesn't usually end up being a better price than this at regular price. So if I don't get over there for the the Kerrygold sale, if they do it, I don't even know for sure if they're doing it. It won't be the end of the world because this is still really good. I've tasted them side by side and I think this one tastes just as good as the Kerrygold. I got pure vanilla. I am just so glad that this came down in price. There was a time when it was, I think, over $20 for a bottle, and today it was $9.99. So that seems so much more reasonable. I got a box of cream cheese bars. I like these because, again, they're in individual bars. You don't have to open the whole thing at once. I went ahead and got a couple big bags of the chocolate chips. The kids use chocolate chips for their baking, but then also Christmas is coming, which means truffle making is coming. So I figured I just go ahead and get a couple of bags, and whatever, doesn't get used for baking, which it won't all get used for baking, it will be used for truffles when the time comes. That's just, a few weeks away, really. I was really excited to see that they had organic little potatoes. I've been buying these and we've been really enjoying them, but they're not organic, which, I don't get everything organic. You can see that obviously, but I do like when I can get organic for a decent price. If something is like more than double the price, organic versus conventional, typically I will go towards conventional or skip it altogether. But I was excited to see that they had an option of the little potatoes in organic, and there was a $2 off coupon, so they were on sale also. I went ahead and got 2 bags of those, and then I got this pack of bacon. This is the kind of bacon I like to use for our bacon wrap dates, and so I figured I would save this. This will be the bacon that I use at Thanksgiving to wrap the dates in. Typically it's a little bit thinner than a lot of other bacon you can find at the store, and so I've always liked this one. The last couple things I already threw here in the freezer. We got some organic mango and some organic strawberries. They were frozen, so I wanted to get them straight into the freezer. When we got home, the kids used these to make smoothies with our farm fresh milk. So this ended up being my biggest Costco haul in quite a while. It was $437.38, not included like the Legos and, a few different non-food items and some holiday food items and some stock-up. So it was definitely a big one. And like I said, I'm hoping that I can avoid Costco at least until after Thanksgiving. I may have to go again before Christmas, but we'll see how long we can make it without having to go to Costco. There's a quick view of the receipt if you are curious about any of the prices. Thanks so much for going shopping with us. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we will be back again soon.